Uh-oh. He hit him with that bleach flash step. What? What? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm your host, Damon, and today, you know what time it is. We are back, and we are watching more Chainsaw Man. And man, oh man, oh man. Last time was the craziest episode we watched. Shit hit the fan out of nowhere, like quite literally. So in the last episode, we started off just experiencing the aftermath of Denji and Himeno's eventful night, to say the least. And literally, like the next day, things just went left. Makima's heading to Kyoto, and there's some gunmen on the train that she's on, and they put a bullet through her dome. Looks like Makima's dead. And our crew, Denji, Aki, Power, and Himeno, they're just chilling at a ramen shop, and some devils pulled up on them and are shitting on them. It looks like our girl Himeno just died. She basically gave everything to the ghost devil she's contracted with, and we just saw her just poof out of existence, basically. So looks like Himeno is dead. Looks like Makima's dead. Oh, Denji got a bullet put through him too, but he's our main character, so I'm sure he's not dead. I don't think Makima's really dead either, but just because we haven't seen, it's too much mystery surrounding Makima, so I'm sure she's not dead. I don't know what's going on with the show right now, so maybe we'll get to see some answers here. Maybe we'll see how our crew might be able to turn the situation around to favor them, but we won't know until we jump into it. So with that being said, I'm ready to hop into it. I'm excited for this. So yeah, and if you're enjoying these reactions, please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already. Also leave a like, comment down below. I would love to interact and engage with you guys. It'd be a lot of fun. And check out the Patreon if you haven't already. There you can check out the full uncut reactions, and you can check them out earlier than they would hit YouTube. But with that being said, let's just hop into the video. And this is episode 9 from Kyoto. There goes Himeno. Yeah, so it's just showing us a little bit where we left off. Himeno's an interesting character. I don't think we got enough of her either. I love this soundtrack so much. This song, specifically. This one, I still remember listening to this in episode 1. This specific soundtrack. I think it was this one. Yeah, this one. But no, Himeno. And she just wants Aki to cry for her. This was really sad. I wonder if they're... Oh my gosh. And this person who's controlling Snake seems to be a super problem right now. Is she a devil? Is she contracted with the devil? Himeno. Rest in peace, Himeno. Oh, the ghost devil. What's going on? Oh. Denji's still alive. And he is revving up. So don't damage the heart specifically. Okay. Go crazy on him, Denji. It's about to heat up. They have like the same design. I wonder why that is. Oh my gosh. Yo, Denji is with it. He is with the shits. Who is she talking to? Reinforcements. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay, okay, okay. Ooh. Get him. Ooh. Yo, this shit looking good. Animation always looks good with these fight scenes. Oh my gosh, who are these people? Aim for the arms or the heart. I thought they said not to damage the heart. Ooh. Sir, you should not have brought a gun to a chainsaw fight. Did he not cut him? Ooh. So, Denji being a devil has, like, you know, good durability. I doubt he cares. Or does he? No, I don't think he cares. Uh-oh. He hit him with that bleach flash step. What? What? He just severed him? Yo, what is going on? All of Chainsaw's people should be dead. All of... Oh, like his group? Like, yeah, so his devil dissolves just like Denji's does. So he's really... Is this another person that we just... Oh, is that... Holy shit. Alright? Was that Alright? Or was he with... He was... No. He was with, Kobani? Yo, what is going on? What? Okay, so Makima's not dead. Tendo. Is this everybody that was on the same train as Makima? Yes. And I believe that is Makima herself. Big boss lady. Yep. You can see the blood on the coat. She wasn't shot? Nah. Ooh. Whoa, whoa, whoa. They got holes through them. What the fuck? Yo, what is Makima's power? She is a menace. Won't make it in time. Makima, if you know more, you need to let us in the loop, because shit is getting real. Find the nearest temple with the highest altitude and reserve it. Okay, trying to get the high ground. Okay, so we're back at Makima. All caked up over here. What is the play? What is going on? And they really just chopped Denji's top half off. What? Let me know. What the fuck just happened? Verify Makima's bot. Oh, so they know about Makima. Or she knows about Makima. Yo, what? What is she doing? Yo. 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 What? Okay, hold on. Why are these people blindfolded? Why are they blindfolded? Are they not allowed to see her power? Okay, so yeah, they can't see her power. Shuzo Mishima. Are they like her sacrifices? Is this Shuzo Mishima? Oh, yeah, that is. Oh. Oh. What? What is her devil? And why do they need to say the names? If it's not a ability where she needs to know their names to do something, because she already knows it. But oh my gosh. But it seems like she only mercs them once these people say their names. So what is the... How does her power work? Speaking of power, where the fuck is power? Oh my gosh. Oh my... And are these people dying too? Oh. Yo. And she's doing it with precision too. Like... Ugh. That lady is forever traumatized. Why is it not working on those two? Or why is she not targeting those two? And are these people dead? What the fuck? What the fuck is going on? That's all that can be done from here. That's all. Like, you took care of business. I guess she still has to retrieve Denji. Bullshit power. Kobani? Oh, rest in peace. He's dead. We're not getting him back. I don't know. Damn. Is she about to go crazy? Do you not see? Oh shit. Oh shit. Uh-oh. Okay. Ooh, Kobani. Okay, her redemption arc is starting now. Sheesh. Okay. Ooh, she's actually a badass. Damn. That's savage. Hey, Denji, I need to use you as a shield real quick. Why couldn't she be like this in the hotel? I don't know. It seems like this snake lady is too much of a threat to die right now. Seems like she'll be a major player later, so. Yeah, like what the fuck? If you could have done all if you could have done all this. If you're that good at fighting. Oh, this bitch. This bitch is crazy. She seems... Yo. It's like another personality. Like when she's fighting, she goes like Zenitsu or some shit. Like... Who is this guy?
まどかくん、生きててよかった。得意科はどれくらい生きてる？
得意1課、2課、3課、4課、ともに銃撃に遭い、人外以外はほとんど全員死にました。
Except for the non-humans.
狙った銃での襲撃、銃の悪魔が関わっているだろうね。
You think?
得意1課、2課、3課は4課
Will be absorbed into 4.
以降、
Okay.
大麻得意4課をマキマさんの指揮下に置きます。
Aren't they already under her control? I guess not. Did she plan this? They look surprised, and she looks like, cool. So,
あとこれを
何？
I don't know.
僕の代表です。
Oh, he's quitting.
ちゃうの？
得意科がきな臭くなってきました。やめるか殺されるか
I mean, I don't blame you. He doesn't seem like he trusts Makima. Who is this
最
guy?
後に教えてください。
Have we met this other guy before?
マキマさんは今回の事態をどこまで想定
Did she anticipate?
一般市民に公安の内部事情を教えられないな。まどかくん、今までありがとう。
Makima on some fuck shit right now. I don't know what it is, but she's in cahoots with someone.
マキマさん、俺たち得意科に入るわけやないですからね。
指導に来ただけですからね。
1週間ですぐ京都に戻りますから。
残念。東京は美味しいお店がたくさんあるのに。
The dining in Tokyo is to die for. Man, Chainsaw Man, what the heck? Where is this story going? Where is this story going? Okay, so it seems like we're getting the conclusion of the battle per se. I think Makima's still alive, but it doesn't look like most other people are, and it seems like she has something to do with it. Because now, so all of the special divisions were not under her control. I guess it was just Aki's group, which is a division, which is, you know, one of those 1, 2, 3, or 4. I forget. They probably said which one it was earlier in the series, and I'm just not remembering the specific number. But I'm guessing one of those numbers, which was Aki's unit, is the one that reported to Makima, and the other ones reported to other people, is what I'm gathering there. But now with how much, you know, how many of these people died, they're all reporting under Makima now. So Makima basically has control of the remaining devil hunters in Tokyo. And the one guy who delivered that news to her just quit on the spot, and he had what seemed to be some suspicion in his eyes towards Makima. And I've been saying it all along, Makima's scary. There's something about her, and I think this episode kind of confirms it, that she's on to something. She's in cahoots. She's planning something right now, and she does it with the same expression on her face too. Like, she shows no emotion. Like, her poker face is something serious. Like, so, yeah. I really want to know how she lived, or, you know, what her deal is. Like, she said the bullets never hit her, but that's not what we saw. I mean, there was blood running down her face. I have no clue. But Kobani's still alive. She came in, she turned up against the snake girl and the sword devil dude who just fucking severed Denji's body. He's still the main character, so I'm assuming Denji is somehow going to be okay from this. Don't know how. They said all it took was a blood transfusion to reattach his arm, so I'm assuming something similar like that will be able to fix him up, as long as they could find his lower half as well. But yeah, what an episode. Makima's power. What the heck? So she can, like, just smush people. Not only that, she could do. So she was in Kyoto. They're in Tokyo. I don't know the actual distance between Kyoto and Tokyo. Like geographically, I'm not too keen on Japan and their different cities, landmarks, and whatnot. So I don't really know how far of a distance it is, but it's far enough that she had to take a train, and she couldn't get back to Tokyo quickly. So I'm assuming it's pretty freaking far. But so with that, what I'm getting at is, even from how far away she was able to just murk these people from that far away distance. And she did it seemingly with ease. Like, I don't know what her powers are specifically, except smushing people. It had something to do with those inmates saying their names. Why did they have to say their name specifically? Maybe whoever says the name, him and that person will die. So it kills both of them. Because those guys, once they said the name and Makima used the power, the people in Tokyo got smushed and whatnot. Like, their bodies just got obliterated, literally. But the people in Kyoto who actually said the name, they fell down as well. So I'm wondering if it's something where whoever says that name, both of those people die. That's the only thing that makes sense to me right now. Yeah, Makima already knew all of these gunmen. So, yeah, she definitely knows something. I'm about to say something wild. Is Makima the gun devil? I don't know. I just feel like she's letting on too much. She knows a lot. But why would she? Could she? I don't know. Because when the gun devil flesh pieces are near her, were near her, they didn't like gravitate towards her, I don't think. So I don't know. That might be outlandish. I'm sticking with it for right now, though. I'm thinking Makima's the gun devil until I see otherwise. Like, I don't know. I have to sleep on this one. But all I know for certain is that Makima is someone that can't be trusted. So I know our boy Denji wants her, but as the audience, as the viewer right here, I have my doubts. But with that, I think I'm gonna just leave it there, wrap it up here. Another great episode. Can't wait to see how things continue to progress and develop from here. Where is Power? How is Aki doing? What about Denji? What's going to happen there? Kobani, and is there any other person who survived the assault? And how will, if so, how will that group form and develop and continue to work under Makima? That's going to be interesting to see, and that's something that we're just going to have to wait for until the following episodes to figure out. But with that being said, I think we'll just leave it here, and I can't wait for the next one. And if you can't either, I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Also, check out the Patreon. It really means a lot to me. And I can't wait to see you on the next one. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you for tuning in, and this is your host, Damon, signing out. Peace.